Tired of the pressure of always having to respond the second someone sees your message? Let's take back control. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger on both your phone and your computer, so you can read messages privately and respond when you're ready. Let's start with the mobile app, whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone. First, open the Messenger app on your phone, then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your settings menu. Scroll down until you see privacy and safety and tap on that. This section controls several privacy settings for your account. Now, look for the read receipts option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap this switch to turn it off. When the switch is grayed out, read receipts are disabled. Great, now, let's move on to turning off read receipts on the desktop version of Messenger. Open your web browser and go to Facebook. Open any chat window on the right side of your screen. Now click on the three dots inside the chat window. A menu will appear with some options. Select the turn off read receipts option. Now you have disabled the option and can read messages without sending read receipts. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off read receipts on Facebook Messenger. Now you can browse your messages with a little more peace of mind. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more Messenger tips, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.